What if I told you that everything you've been taught about learning English vocabulary is a lie? You don't need 10,000 words to speak fluently. You don't even need 2,000. The truth? You are wasting months memorizing massive, exhausting lists of words you will never actually use. The real secret to confidence is a shockingly small, hyper-focused core. It is exactly 111 words. That's it. And by the end of this video, your entire approach to English is going to change forever. I know what you're thinking. That sounds impossible. But look at how language actually works. It doesn't work like a dictionary where every word is equally important. In real life, whether you're at work, traveling, or making friends, a tiny group of words does 90% of the heavy lifting. Think about your own native language. How many unique words did you actually speak yesterday? It's a fraction of what you know. You use the same core expressions over and over. Inside this core of 111 words, there are 10 high-impact vocabulary terms that will instantly elevate your speech. Take the word deride. It means to mock or laugh at someone disrespectfully. Instead of saying, "they made fun of him," you say, "some people derided his idea, but years later it became a massive success." Boom! Instantly, you sound sophisticated. But the secret isn't just knowing the word. It's about connecting it to your own life. Need proof this works? Look at real-world examples like Kanta Prasad, or the thousands of roadside tea sellers and street vendors in bustling tourist hubs. They never stepped inside an advanced grammar class. They don't own vocabulary apps. Yet, when international tourists visit their stalls, magic happens. They negotiate, crack jokes, and close business deals effortlessly. Their English isn't grammatically flawless, but it is fierce, functional, and deeply confident. Why? Because they don't collect words, they own them. Stop asking, "How many words do I know?" Start asking, "How many words can I actually use under pressure?" Focus on depth, not width. Let's smash the hesitation right now. Take that word, deride. Think of one toxic person or a bad doubt you faced. Create a quick sentence in your head and say it out loud. Right now. Don't overthink it. Just speak. Because the moment you use it, it becomes yours. Stop waiting to learn thousands of words before you start speaking. Master the core, claim your confidence, and watch your English become natural today.